Should you buy now or should you wait for prices to fall? It's a question I'm getting all the time, and I'm going to answer it right now. This is Aaron Chadbourne with Demetria's team, The Real Estate Group, and our team has the experience to help you navigate this real estate market. Okay, I get that a lot of buyers right now think real estate prices might fall. We've seen it happen before, maybe it'll happen again. But let me give you 4 reasons why you should still buy right now. Number 1, interest rates. Interest rates have been going up and we think they're going to keep rising. Every 1% increase in the interest rate for a 30-year mortgage means an extra $100 or $200 a month in your monthly mortgage payment. That means to even buy something for the same price as what you see today is going to cost $100 or $200 more if rates go up by 1%. And we've seen them go up from where they were at about 2.9% a year ago to now they're nearing 6%. People are paying hundreds of dollars more a month just to buy a house at the same price. That means that even if prices fall, you might be paying more in your mortgage payment to buy the same property. So why wait to just give more money to the bank or the lender as the form of interest payment? Why not buy your house today? Number 2 reason is inventory. Traditionally in Maine, we have a bit of a seasonal market. Usually, more inventory comes on the market in springtime. Most people, if they have a choice and they're selling a house, they don't want to sell in the winter. Mainers don't like to move in the snow. They don't want to sell. So the things that we see come up in the winter are times that people have to sell. Maybe it's a divorce, maybe it's a job relocation, could be someone that's passed away or a family member that's moved into assisted living. It might be an investor that's sick of using renters. Those are fewer and more far between. We see inventory shrink in the winter. So if you're thinking that you might want to be in a house in the next few months, we should be looking today. If we wait, we might be waiting until April or May or June when we start to see more inventory coming. So if you're serious about buying, I think it makes sense to go now. The third reason is new construction. We're worried that there might be a recession coming, and during a recession, usually new housing starts fall. Builders aren't willing to lay out more capital and they're not willing to put themselves at more risk if they're worried about your ability to purchase. They have to invest in these longer time horizons because it takes 6 months or maybe a year to build a new house. If there are signs of turmoil in the markets, they're going to pull back. What does that mean? Well, we already have a housing shortage. There aren't enough houses for the number of people who need them. And if new construction doesn't keep up its pace, then we're going to see constrained supply, which is what's been driving a lot of the increase in prices. And number 4 is lending. There are lending options out there. There are going to be lenders because there's fewer sales, that means there's fewer loans, so lenders are willing to compete for your business. Our team has relationships with a number of lenders who offer different products and who can compete on different levers. If you want to get a lower interest rate, some banks or credit unions will have promotional rates right now that are still under 5% when the market's closer to 6%. They might have an option for you to buy down the interest rate with a little bit more money up front so that you can save money over the life of the loan. We might be able to look at a different down payment. But see, you need a realtor that has experience and relationships to be able to help you navigate to get the best deal that gets you in a home that meets your needs. Now look, I want to be very clear. If it's not the right financial decision for you to buy a home and now is not the right time, we're going to be the first ones to tell you that because we don't just believe in having clients for the next deal. We believe in creating clients for life. Our team would love to help you, or if there's someone you know who's thinking about buying, or maybe they had a bad experience with the real estate professionals they were working with, send them our way. We'll talk about your situation, we'll talk about your needs, and we'll come up with a plan to get you in a house. So should you wait for prices to fall? Personally, I wouldn't, but give us a call, we'll talk about your situation, and we'll make the best decision for you. On behalf of Demetria's team, The Real Estate Group, this is Aaron Chadbourne.